Hi everyone, today we're going to look at the brand new Bailey Phoenix 760, which is a 6-berth mid-washroom caravan. Let's have a quick look around the outside. At the front of the caravan you'll notice the large central window and no front locker. The A-frame is coloured black, which gives a nice contrast to the overall look. Moving around to the side and from front to back, we have the freshwater inlet, the heating exhaust, the gas locker, which is held midway down to assist with weight distribution, the toilet cassette, and right at the back is a locker with access to under the bunk bed. At the back of the caravan is a fairly familiar sight, with a smooth roofline, no complex moulding, which will aid with cleaning and water runoff whilst in storage. On the left hand side of the caravan we have an external front locker, a stable style door, large fridge vents and electric hookup point. So before we head inside, let's have a look at some of the specifications of this 6-berth caravan. Weighing in with an MTPLM of 1600 kilos and with an MRO of 1420 kilos, it gives a user payload of 180 kilograms. Its total length is 7.86 meters and its total width is 2.212 meters. Right, so let's pop inside and check out this layout. As we spin around you'll see the colour scheme of the interior. Bailey call this fabric option Brockwell and the colour scheme of the cupboards is called brushed champagne. As you can see, the large central window provides lots of light into this living space, and next to the window are two small cubby holes. The one on the left contains the radio. The large overhead lockers don't include soft closing mechanisms and they don't have any positive latches, but they are large enough to contain small items such as bottles or boxes of breakfast cereal. The front seating area can be used as two single beds or made up as a large double. So let's go through some of the bed sizes at the front of the caravan. The beds measure up as 6'1" by 2'1" as two singles, or 6'2" by 4'9" as a large double bed. So let's head on into the kitchen area. The kitchen incorporates a cover over the cooker, and with this cover it negates the need for a pull-out flap as there's plenty of preparation space. The cooker has 4 gas burner hobs with a separate grill and oven which sits next to a huge drawer big enough for cutlery and utensils. The control panel for the trimmer heating and the hot water is just behind the sink, along with two 230 volt outlets. Situated next to the cooker is a couple of large shelves and cupboards, and this is where the table is situated. On the opposite side is the tall triple fuel fridge, and next to the fridge is a handy workspace, above which there is the microwave and a small cupboard. Moving into the washroom, it's separated from the rear with a sliding door, and the washroom contains a fully lined granite stone shower cubicle, complete with its own skylight, 12-volt LED and Eco Camel showerhead. On the opposite side there's a small wash basin next to the Thetford cassette toilet, and above these there's a small vanity mirror and storage cupboard. So as we leave the washroom and head into the rear accommodation, you can see 2 bunks on the left and the side dinette to the right. This side dinette makes up into 2 bunk beds. Let's have a look at some of the bed sizes. The fixed bunks on the left are 6'1" by 2'2", and the side dinette makes up to 5'10" by 2'3", and the pull-out bunk makes up as 5'6" and 1'1". Between the fixed bunks and the side dinette there's a small cupboard with the second TV outlet, 12-volt and mains power here as well. And finally there's reading lights for each of the bunks and the side dinette. The light above the side dinette also contains a USB socket. So there you go guys, I hope that's been useful for you, the tour around this, the 760. If you've got any comments or questions, feel free to ask below. And if you want any more specific details, well, head on over to the Bailey website. That's it from me today guys, thanks for watching, we'll see you very soon. Bye now.